Café y cigarro, minuto de barro.
Is that a Cubby's experience?
I love candies.
I can also hold it for you.
It's okay. Okay.
We're at Cubby's. We're gonna make our coffees to get the full Cubby's coffee experience.
I don't
Wow.
like blueberry cappuccino to me.
No. Taste
Go for
test?
third.
Berries and cream.
Man, I would have went.
Aww.
He's really out of World Cup game.
Yeah. Oh!
No. These are champagne glasses.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Is it fine? No.
Oh no!
She can clink it with my boob if you want.
What?
Good morning, guys. I'm on the Cape at my friend Alex's house, and I'm here with Alex and Mateo. And today we're going to the vineyard. We're going to Martha's vineyard. Ah! And we have our sundresses on. We're going to have so much fun today. Full day on Martha's vineyard. We're taking the ferry, and we just got ready. We had coffee. We had some mimosas. And
Yes, maybe one too many, perhaps.
check. White sundress, light pink sundress. And where's Mateo? We don't know. Mateo! I'm so happy that was not into the mic.
I don't know where he is. Let's go explore.
Let's go explore. And this is my room tour. We got the bed. We got my setup going on here. Sunscreen, perfume, makeup, my bag that I'm bringing. And it was such a nice, yesterday was such a nice day, and today is also, it's so beautiful out. Okay, we have to leave right now because we have to catch the ferry, but I'm so excited to bring you guys along.
Who's the potato on the
That's what I ordered.
Oh, I'm recording. Oh, it's touchscreen.
Isn't that sick?
That's definitely gonna be a funny
Whoa.
Wait, I don't think it's recording.
clip.
It is recording.
It is? Okay.
That's gonna be a funny ass clip.
Whoa. Whoa.
Yeah, it has stabilizer. It's sick.
Ooh. That's so crazy.
Where you at? I'm actually unstable. Oh, my Wi-Fi disconnected.
You're unstable.
I
I got scared. I'm like, can you see me now?
Crispy Hugo.
I did.
Crispy Hugo Spritzy.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah.
Why are you doing like you?
It's like literally.
You're about to drop the hottest mix
Guys, vlog.
Vlog? Oh.
I thought you were gonna point at a sign that was like no filming.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, we're all way back.
Can I tell you a secret? Can I tell you a secret? Come here. Come here. Here comes a Bugs Bunny dancing.
I thought you were gonna say you're gay.
And I'm gay. Doesn't he look like he's like lost at sea or something?
You're lost at sea. It looks so good. Look how good the water looks.
Hey, all right, come on. Paper tickets, over to me. Paper tickets.
Yummy.
Oh, that's such a beautiful view. Lie down here with a skateboard.
I want to see you break your fucking head open.
Whoa, this is crazy.
I feel like going down is okay.
It's like. What?
You can't be drunk like this.
Dude, your hair looks crazy. You
Wait,
look like an
do it this
actual
way.
mermaid.
Do a video this way, yeah.
Alright, mermaid.
This is actually
You also want to catch
I'll tell you.
Yeah, it is really like pretty big.
Aww.